Hi guys, today we are going to discuss Cambridge lower secondary checkpoint. It's with the paper code 0861/01 from April 2024. The duration for this paper is 1 hour 10 minutes. On our left hand side is the question paper. So total mark is 50 in here, and we got a section A reading. We spent 35 minutes for this section. If you like to take a screenshot and use it for self-practice or do along with this video, you may do so. So this is question 1 to ABC, and then 1 ABC. Now next is question 2 ABC, 2AB, and then our right hand side is the insert itself. So it's the insert. So this is from line 1 till, with the pictures given here, line 1 till 20 till 32 here on our right hand side. So this is question 2AB on our left hand side, and this is question 3. Zoom it out. So question 1 ABC, question 2 AB, question 3, and let's move on to question 4 5 AB and 4 5 C, F4 and 5 ABC. Next, let's move on to question 6 AB, and here we go, question 7A B, 7A, and question 8A, question 8B, question 8B, here we go. And this is section B for writing, 35 minutes. So question 9 here, this is the writing instruction, and this is space to write your plan, and but this part will not be marked, so a slot for response will be marked from here. There's 2 full pages here, and you have 2 full pages, 1 page, 2 page, right? So that's the end of this question paper 1 to 9. And let's move on to our right hand side is the insert. Here we go, our right hand side is the insert paper, so non-fiction. This is the pictures included about the pizza, and well, pizza tripod here, the pictures, and line 1 till 31. We take a screenshot, and then maybe if you print out and follow along this video, it'll be easier for you. And this is 32 till 53. That's it, this paper. Second page, first page. Yeah, first page, first page, and then second page. Alright, let's start. Okay, now let's start reading the insert for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, pictures is given. Usually the reading is without pictures. I mean, this is to help us understand what is the meaning of the pizza tripod here. Let's make use of only 2-3 minutes to save time. Next, Next. 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 Okay, we're done, so let's move on to question number 1 here. Okay, section A reading. Read the text in the insert and an extract from a book about design and answer question 1 till 8. 1. Look at the first paragraph, lines 2 till 7. Here we go, lines 2 till 7 is in this section. So 1A, the caller is impressed with the object she's describing. Give one phrase that tells the reader this. 1 is in bold. Alright, let's get few seconds to get this answer. Find answer from here. Let's start, guys. Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. If you're not finished, you may pause this video. Now we will reveal the answer. So the answer is a marvel at. Here, marvel at. Alright, let's move on. 1B. Why does the writer use inverted commas in the first paragraph? Tick one box. To quote exactly what someone has said. To indicate an unusual meaning for a word. To add stress to a word. To show that a word has been invented. So we see the answer from still the first paragraph. 10 seconds from now. This is the inverted commas. Okay, let's reveal the answer, guys. So the answer is to quote exactly what someone had said. That is the function of inverted commas. Let's take a look of what are inverted commas. Quotation marks, also known as quotes or inverted commas in British English, they are used to indicate direct speech and quotations here. Examples: "Are you crazy?" said Tony. She remarked, "It's a beautiful day." "I'll see you next time," he said. So those are examples of quotation marks. So in this first paragraph, the thingy in inverted commas is to show, to quote exactly what someone has said. Alright, let's move on. Question 1C. The first paragraph introduces the idea of everyday objects. How does the final sentence of the first paragraph support this idea? 10 seconds from now. Alright guys, let's check out the answers. Well, this is the example of the correct answer. It shows that everyone understood what she was saying. So we see in the last final sentence of this paragraph, there is the word was immediately recognizable. Immediately recognizable is stated in here to the listeners. So it shows everyone understood what she was saying. Or another possible answer, you can quote this immediately recognizable. So it describes the object as immediately recognizable. Let's move on. Question 2. Look at the second paragraph, lines 8 till 12. A. Give one word that tells the reader that the object is usually treated differently from the way the caller treats it. 10 seconds from now. Second paragraph is in here, this section. Alright guys, let's check out the answer. Well, the answer is throw away. Throw away here. This is the word. So that is the one word that tells the reader that the object is usually treated differently from the way the caller treats it. Usually people throw away. Alright, let's move on. 2B. Other people agree with the caller's opinion of the object. According to the writer, which two things do they like about it? Tick 2 boxes. 10 seconds from now. So we have to choose 2 boxes from these 5 choices. 10 seconds from now. Alright guys, if you need some more time, please pause this video. Let's open up the answer. The only correct answer is it offers a clever solution to a problem and it serves a useful function here. Appreciate for its purpose, and you can see it says in here is a good design. So that cover up clever solution to a problem. It is a name that everyone can remember. No, different people call it differently. The first caller say the white plastic tripod. White plastic tripod. It's called as the thingy. The first caller to call it as the thingy. Refer to the white plastic tripod here. This one. And we see no one called to give its actual name. So it doesn't have a name that everyone can remember. It's easy to clean and store. Most people throw away the white plastic tripod. So this choice is wrong. It is simple to describe. Now the first caller said the thingy, so they do not know how to give its actual name. Alright, let's move on. Question 3. Look at the third paragraph, lines 13 till 18, which is in the green section here. Explain how the information in the second and third sentences is connected to the last sentence, which is this sentence. Okay? Second sentence is in yellow, third sentence is in blue. So we have to write in the answer slot the second and third sentences and the last sentence. 10 seconds from now. Alright guys, let's check out the answer. Okay, this is the example of correct answer. Second and third sentences. The sentences illustrate how the tripod can be used. Alright, here, second sentence in yellow, third sentence in blue. The last sentence concludes that other objects can be used for unintended purposes. So things are often used for purposes other than their intended design. Alright, that will be for number 3. Okay guys, now we are in question 4. Look at the fourth and fifth paragraph, lines 19 till 28, which is on this section, blue section. The writer tells the reader that the woman who is a fan of plastic tripod is writing in ironic way on her website. Choose 2 quotations from the website and explain how they tell the reader that woman is being ironic. First quotation, explanation, and second quotation, explanation. 10 seconds from now. Alright, let's check out the answer guys. Well, this is the example of correct answer. First quotation, the plastic tripod is very expensive. You can see from here. This is the quotation. Explanation, the tripod is available at no cost. So it's very cheap. Next, the pizza and the cardboard box protect the plastic tripod. Here we go. Actually, the explanation, the box and the tripod provide protection for the pizza. Alright? If you have any other answer, please write down in the comment section. Your comment will help other viewers. Alright, let's move on. Let's take a look of what is irony. There are 2 types, verbal irony and situational irony. Verbal irony is mainly used as a means of exposing contradiction, portraying humor, placing emphasis on a given idea. Example, if it is raining outside, you might hear someone say, "What a lovely weather we are having at the moment." So that is verbal irony. Second is situational irony, a situation that is odd because what actually happened is the opposite of what might be expected to happen. Example, a pilot has a fear of heights. An English teacher has poor grammar. So these two quotations actually are exposing contradiction of what it means. Very expensive, but it's actually available at no cost. Pizza and cardboard box protect the plastic tripod, but actually is the box and the tripod provide protection for the pizza. Alright, so that will be the explanation for number 4. Anywhere in this sentence also might be used as the quotation is probably the packaging that makes the tripod so expensive. So actually it means for this quotation, the woman pretends that the pizza and the box are packaging for the tripod. The box and the pizza, but actually the tripod is part of the packaging to protect the pizza. Alright, let's move on. Now question 5. Look at the 6, 7 and 8 paragraph lines 29 till 44. A. The manufacturer's name for the plastic tripod is given as Pizza Saver. Give 2 other noun phrases from the 7 paragraph lines 32 till 41. 32 till 41. Yeah. Well, 32 till 41 is in the green section, which the writer uses to name the object. 10 seconds. Let's check out the answer, guys. Oh, the answer is the 3-legged specialty item, and the second one is the little box top propping scaffold will be in here. Alright, that's the only answer. 5b. The writer describes the tripod as squat. How does this quality relate to the function of the object? So it's still from the same section, 29 till 44. So first let's find out where is this word squat. So squat is in here, the squat tripod. So 10 seconds from now. Okay guys, let's check out the answer. The tripod is designed to fit between the lid of the box and the pizza, which has limited space. So that's the example of correct answer for this number 5b. Any similar idea related to this is okay. Squat means in this position, to sit on one's heel. So the writer described the tripod as squat, meaning it to fit between the lid of the box and the pizza, which has a really limited space. As you see in here, it has limited space. Alright, let's move on. Now we are in the 5c. What idea in the 6th paragraph lines 29 till 31 in green section is repeated in the 8th paragraph lines 42 till 44. It is in here, is in the yellow section here, 42 till 44. 10 seconds from now. Okay guys, are you done? Let's check out the answer for 5c. The tripod is functional and efficient, which you can see from these green sections. Is a fine example of something designed to be very functional And in the yellow section, 42 till 44 again is repeated. Is efficient, does the job it was designed to do. Alright, let's move on. Well, the answer of this may vary. You may take another part from the green and yellow section. If you have any other answer, you may write in the comment section to help other viewers. Well, one idea is in here we can see that most of us would not think to put on display on our windows, and this one is also say if it were first encountered in a kitchen drawer, that job would not be obvious, not especially beautiful, so it's not worthy of display. We can also write that as the answer. Alright, let's move on. Alright, question 6a. Look at the 9th paragraph, line 45 till 53 in the green section. A. What does the repetition of some convey to the reader? 10 seconds from now. Right? So, repetition of the word some in here. Have you got your answer? Let's check out, guys. All the example of correct answer is we are uncertain about who makes the decisions, where they are made, and how. So that's why is the writer used the word some. That is the idea. So the person, the place, and the time in here are not important. We may also say like that, but the important thing is the decision. That's also a possible answer. If you have any other answer, please write down in the comment section to help other viewers. Alright guys, now 6b. Give one phrase that the writer uses to avoid repeating the word X from earlier in the text. 10 seconds. Alright guys, have you got your answer? Let's check it out. It's OVOID objects. OVOID objects we can find from here. So we have to skim the text, the paragraph here, 45 till 53, and then find that one phrase that is OVOID objects. This is the only answer for this question. Well, question 7, the 7, 8, and 9 paragraph, lines 32 till 53, we mark in here in the green section. 7, 8, and 9 each begin with a short sentence in blue. These are the short sentences. Explain the function of these short sentences. Give two ways, way 1 and way 2. 10 seconds. Okay, if you need some more time, please pause this video. Let's check out the answer, guys. Well, way 1, in place of subheadings, each sentence starts a paragraph here. 2, they speed up the pace of the text and keep the readers engaged. This short sentences is the one that we call as topic sentence. While a topic sentence give your paragraph a focus. This help the readers to follow your thinking. And a topic sentence also states the point at the writer wishes to make about the subject. So you see here, topic sentence. from this one. These are the topic sentence. No object is ever truly without a name. So this helps the reader follow your thinking and also states the point the writer wishes to make about the subject. Nothing is perfect, and the next paragraph, and design is nothing if not decision making. Generally, the topic sentence appears at the beginning of the paragraph. That's it. We hope it's clear. Next, now we are in question 8. Look at the whole text. So the whole text is on the left side. 2 column here. A. Complete the table below with information about the pizza savers. Pizza savers appearance. Find it out. Material. Intended use. Disadvantages of this use. Other uses. Right. 3.4 full marks. So let's skim the text to get the answer for this one. So this is the line 1 till 28. Let's find out the appearance. You're given 10 seconds to do this. Okay, a few more seconds. Let's see the next one. Line 29. Disadvantages of this and other uses. Okay, let's check out the answer, guys. Well, if you need some more time, please pause this video. We'll reveal the answer now. Here we go. This is the example of correct answer. It is a small platform with 3 spindly legs. Okay, 3 spindly legs. That is here. You can see from here white plastic tripod. Alright, white plastic tripod, and then alright, as we see here, there are 3 spindly legs here, a small platform, and then little. Now material is plastic. Intended use is preventing the box top from touching the pizza. Keep the top of the box from getting stuck to the melted cheese. Disadvantages of this use is you can see in here the way strings of cheese stick to the spindly legs. So that's the disadvantages. And also other uses, holding around an OVOID object for display. We can see from there, around an OVOID object for display, and spacer between stack object. Alright, you can see from here, holding X, and then spacer between stack pane palettes. Alright, let's move on. Well, if you have any idea that's similar, you may write in the comment section to help others. The intended use also, you can say, to protect pizzas. Alright, let's move on. Well, question B, using information from the table that we have previously answered, write a summary to describe what pizza savers are and the different ways they can be used. Write up to 40 words. The trick for this is don't write more than 40 words. If you write more than 40 words, like 41 words, you will only get maximum of 1 mark. So try to make sure that you are writing up to only 40 words or less is fine. 39, 38, 37 is fine. Okay, you're given 10 seconds. Well, these are my answer from the 8A. We will use this 8A answer to make a summary for this one. 10 seconds. Okay, if you need some more time, please pause this video, guys. Well, this is the example. Pizza savers are small plastic objects with 3 spindly legs that prevent pizzas from sticking to the box top. They can also be used to hold small round objects for display or as spacer between stacked objects. That will be the summary to describe what the pizza savers are in different ways they can be used. Alright, so 9 is the writing section. We spent 35 minutes for this section. Here is the topic for this year's school magazine writing competition. Annual school writing competition. Small is beautiful. You can win this year's prize by writing about an object you use at home or in school and is small enough to hold in your hand. Think about what your object is, how and when you use it, what you like about it. Use the box below to plan your answer. But you can write down something, but this will be not this section will not be marked, so the full response should be written in these 2 full pages. Page 7, this will be marked, and here. So the tips for this is don't write less than half pages. So up to here is not good. Try to write at least 1 or 1.5 pages. Use well-developed language with good vocabs. Organized paragraph throughout the text, and use correct grammar, punctuation, and spelling. Alright. So today's discussion is conducted by Study with Tuition Online. We cater for all this subject and this syllabus. So email us if you're interested to join our online courses, which is affordable. And to sum up today, we have discussed English checkpoint. Paper 1 April 2024 is non-fiction section for lower secondary with student tutor with me, and this is our YouTube address. Click like and ring the bell if you don't want to miss any of our latest videos. And if you have any question, please write in the comment section, or idea or input, or which past paper should we do after this. Please feel free to write in the comment section. So see you in the next video. We hope today's discussion will be helpful to you. If there's any mistake, please advise and write in the comment section. Bye, and God bless you.